Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Oh, this time it's my channel. And I'm here with my boyfriend, in case you didn't know him. He's Janik. Introduce yourself, babe.
Hi, I'm Janik.
Great. Today we're gonna do a challenge that a lot of you have asked for, which is Boyfriend Does My Challenge.
Boyfriend does my challenge.
Boyfriend does my makeup, and I'm excited.
I have no idea how to do any makeup.
I put all of my makeup or most of my makeup in a table in front of you. I'm not gonna tell you what anything is for. I'm not gonna tell you the order that I do these things on. You're on your own, brother.
Okay.
So what do you have in mind?
I have not thought about it. I'm gonna come up with it on the way.
But it's gonna look good.
I hope so.
I hope so too, because I'm gonna stay like this the whole day, hopefully.
Okay, I have no idea. What is all of this? Concealer, anti-age effect. Oh, pore filler. That's fine, I don't need it. Okay, foundation. Cool.
That's the first thing?
Yeah, I guess.
Okay.
You wanna
I'm freaking
say
out
it already.
Wait, what are you gonna put it with?
With this sponge.
So you're not wetting it, right?
So, okay, I'm gonna make
it's
it
fine,
wet.
you don't need to. I'm giving you tips and I shouldn't. I'm sorry, guys.
Your face.
Yeah.
So I think you always do here some stuff, and then here. Oh my god, it looks so bad already. And here, I have no idea. Okay. You look orange. You look like Trump.
I look like Trump. Look at you blending.
I can blend very good because I'm doing that in Photoshop. I don't know if that made any difference, dude. Except for you looking orange. I think you used that one actually first. It's weird. Oh, there it is. Okay, that's what they usually do. Wrinkles, okay, tuck. No, these are the smile wrinkles. Stop laughing.
My face you're making is so funny.
Shimmering Skin Perfector Spotlights. Okay, that's a highlighter.
I don't know.
Sorry. I think I'm gonna do natural makeup, so you're done.
Oh, no.
Seduction. That's maybe for blush or something. Contouring. What was that again? Oh my god, I'm overwhelmed.
Yeah, that's me every day.
Pores? No, it's too late for this. Wait, bronzing powder.
Why are you using that brush again? Just because?
Just because.
Okay.
Okay, bit of glittery stuff.
What do you think is glittery?
The bronzing powder.
You think so? Does it look glittery there?
No.
So what do you think is glittery then?
Well, the other stuff that I put before doesn't look glittery.
Maybe you took the wrong brush.
I did it on purpose. That's why I took that brush.
Yeah.
Doesn't make any difference. Okay, bronzing powder is useless. Highlighting palette. Okay, I'm gonna use this for sure.
Palette.
But later. First you need this blush with the same brush. No, there's one that's already red, so I'm gonna use it. What is it called? Blush?
Seduction.
Seduction. A little bit on the cheek of no.
What happened?
Doesn't look good, dude. Why are you blushing, huh? I don't want it too much. I want it natural, guys. And now, highlighter palette and the brush for this. I'm gonna give you a nice golden color. Okay, usually you do highlights here. Cool.
You're thinking about your Photoshop skills, right? Whoa.
Highlighter.
I look super highlighted in this.
Yeah, you are at the moment, but I'm gonna blend it.
Yeah.
Put it here on the nose. Okay, under the eyes, highlighter. And here, cheek, chin.
Cheek.
Oh my god, it looks so bad.
Really?
Oh my god, it looks so bad. I have to take it off a little bit because it's too much. No. Okay, now let's move on to the eyes.
Be careful, there's things on top of that.
I'm gonna give you a reddish tone.
Ah, it's ticklish.
No, pretty good I would say. I'm pretty talented. I think. But I know that you also use a bright one for the middle sometimes. Because I've seen it on her before. Only a little bit. Maybe. Oh my god. Okay, warte. I need to get rid of the makeup on this brush.
Okay.
Whatever this is. Uh-oh. Stop moving!
Oh my
god. Stop laughing!
Okay.
Okay, now.
Okay.
I'm perfectionist, so it might take a while.
God.
Pretty good, I would say.
Really?
I think I did a pretty good job. What's missing? The thing for the eyelashes. Mascara time.
So you want to put fake eyelashes on me or normal, like my eyelashes?
Your eyelashes. Where is this stupid mascara? Shit.
Hi.
I'm a professional, don't worry. Huh? It looks bigger already.
I'm so scared.
Don't be scared. Yeah, whatever.
Your
fine.
face is so funny. Tired?
It's so exhausting, dude. Lipstick time. I hate lipstick because when she has lipstick, I cannot kiss her. This one? No, I'm not gonna use this one.
Ah! Ah! Put it back. No!
Oopsie. It's in there now.
Not tall. Make it look good.
Ow! Okay.
It's so cute.
Let's get that stick on those lips.
Huh?
Saliva. Are you done laughing? Don't laugh. Oh my god. I cannot work like this.
I can see the hairs of your nose.
Sorry.
Okay, stop it. I'm looking at your hairline.
Okay, look at my hairline.
Sorry, you're so handsome. I'm sorry.
Okay, not that bad, but it's also not crazy good, I guess. Do you have one of those things where you can make it a little bit sharper?
Like a lip liner?
Yeah.
Not really. I don't use it.
Man.
I don't use lip liners.
Oh man, so unprofessional. Okay, it looks good. I would say I did a pretty good job. Now what's missing? The eyelash curler.
Oh my god, that's scary. You're so excited about it.
And then?
Ah! No, I was kidding.
Really?
I was kidding.
Yeah, it doesn't make any difference. This thing is useless.
It's not useless. I always do it with it.
Okay.
Did you see that story on Facebook? That old man that his wife cannot move anymore. He's just doing her makeup because she cannot do it herself.
Don't cry. Otherwise, you're gonna mess up your makeup. Don't cry.
It was so cute.
Don't cry. Setting spray all over your face.
Give it a big shake and...
Again.
So if you would see me coming out of the bathroom like this, would you think it's a normal makeup day?
Let me go a little bit further.
So only from far?
I haven't done any contouring.
You're gonna do the contouring at the end then.
Yeah.
Okay.
Let me see. Contouring. Usually put it here, underneath. It just looks like dirt. Then you put it here on the sides. I know what's up. And then here. Okay, blend it in, y'all.
Ah! So babe, are you gonna start your own beauty channel?
No. Man, it's so boring.
Okay, what do you think about me doing makeup?
Yeah, it's fine. I'm glad you like it. Okay, are you ready?
Yes, I am ready.
I think I did amazing.
You're not humble at all.
No.
I think I did amazing.
The only thing is, I think it looks a little bit too shiny somehow. I don't know why. Probably it's a highlighter.
Well, it was a highlighter and also you used a brush for the bronzing that had highlighter previously. So you used a highlighting bronzer.
I like the eyeshadow. And the lips are also good. And of course the eyeliner is also pretty good.
Yeah? Okay, already. Okay. Whoa, what? Wait.
What? Is it good?
Dude, the eyeliner is so good. The eyeshadow doesn't look that bad. You were dragging it a little bit, but doesn't look bad. A lot of highlighter. I look like I've been sweating a lot, especially here. Wow, babe!
What?
Your lipstick is better than mine.
Really?
You did such a great job with the lipstick.
For this look, I went for a natural look. Natural colors like reddish, a little bit of highlight on the cheeks.
A little bit.
I spent a long time on the lips. I spent a very long time also on this eyeliner. The eyeshadow is very well chosen because it really fits to the lip color. The foundation is a little too orange.
Todd.
Okay guys, so that's my makeup look.
I'm so proud of you. I think you did a great job. And I want you to do it again.
Every day now. So guys, let us know in the comments down below if you would want me to do it again with a crazier look.
And if you want to see anything from me when it comes to makeup or skin or hair or anything like that, let me know in the comments down below because I'm so excited to start this channel with you. Thank you for watching.
No! Do I have lipstick now? Doesn't transfer.
No, doesn't transfer. You chose the one that doesn't.
I chose the right one. Okay, in that case, adios muchachos.
Cheers.